Hey guys, what's up?
And welcome back to the Scales Family Reptiles.
We're gonna show you guys how we set up our egg boxes.
We are bored as heck because we're all stuck in the house.
Gotta do something.
Yeah, I hope you liked the video.
All right, everyone, here we go. I just want to take a quick note and let you guys know that there is 1,000 different ways you can do this. This is just the way we are specifically choosing to do it, and you only need 4 ingredients, so it's pretty affordable. So we chose to do the Purolite. It's 100% Purolite, no added fertilizers or any other ingredients. We have bottled water. We're using the 6-quart Sterilite tubs. The Easy Hatch trays fit perfectly into these tubs. We've never used them before, but we're really stinking excited about it. Everything has been sanitized. Jordan has washed his hands, and now we're gonna show you how we set it up.
All right, guys, so just to be clear, if you're setting the eggs directly on the substrate, I would do 100% 50-50 mixture between perlite and water. Now, we're using Easy Hatch trays, so we're gonna go a little heavy on the water this time. That way, we keep a nice amount of humidity in there, and we don't jeopardize our eggs because the Easy Hatch trays keep the eggs off the substrate. What we're gonna do is about an inch or so, about an inch of perlite. All right, perfect. Let's go ahead and stick an Easy Hatch tray in there. Make sure we have the clearance for the top. What you don't want is your eggs to go up high enough to where the lid is gonna touch the eggs, because then when the condensation on that lid touches the eggs, it's gonna start to mold. So here we go, it's perfect. Now what I'm gonna do, purely out of here, and we're gonna start adding some water. So what I'm gonna do is add until I can see the water rise inside the tub to about 3/4 of the way up. It's about 1.5 bottles. Give it a nice little mix. Make sure your hands are nice and sterile when you do this, because anything that's in this box, when you touch it, is gonna get on your eggs for the 60 days that they're incubating. Give or take a few days, obviously. But that's looking nice and wet. And we're gonna have this in our incubator for the next few weeks. We're expecting eggs in about 19 days. So we want this all set up and ready for when our eggs come. And I went ahead and added just a little bit more water, because I'd rather be safe than sorry. And what we're gonna do is just Easy Hatch tray, button down in there a little bit, and boom, there you go. There's your egg box. So guys, I hope that helped you out a bunch. It was pretty easy to set them up, and to be honest, they've been sitting in the incubator for about 2 weeks now, and they're looking great. Perfect temps, perfect everything. Humidity's great. Good luck on your future clutches, and I hope we have a bunch more.
Fingers crossed.
That's right. Peace. Subscribe.